Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mask your text effects on CapCut PC using animations as well. So I'm just going to type in example, and I'm also going to change the font here. I'm going to then copy and paste that, and I'll select a different color for it. Right click, create compound clip, and select the animation. You can add in a fade in animation to it, a zoom, well maybe not that one. The fade in one looks the best honestly, and you can adjust the duration of it. You can also use the mask section here. So go to horizontal, select the horizontal one, and I'm just going to place it there. Add a keyframe in masks and select the line and place it to the right, so it looks like this. You can also feather it out for a smoother transition if you'd like to. So again, let's go to mask and feather it out. Add a keyframe, and then right about here, just drag it to the right side. You can also use the other mask option that they have, which is this mirror one. Again, add a keyframe here, and then at the end you're just going to unmask that. And you can also do it the other way around. Let's do that. Oops. And open it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.